display. The LG Q6 has a 5.5 inches IPS LCD touchscreen with 2160 by 1080 resolution, making for 442p density. It's protected by a sheet of Gorilla Glass 3, and like any LCD it has a standard RGB pixel pattern. The maximum screen brightness, while not chart-topping, is still pretty impressive for a mid-ranger, reaching 510 nits. The Q6's contrast ratio is 1771 to 1. With the latter it manages to fly past certain flagship devices even, such as Huawei's P10, but there are some better performers out there even in roughly the same price range in terms of brightness. When it comes to color accuracy, the Q6 performs adequately with an average delta of 5 and maximum deviation of 8.4. Those certainly aren't flagship level numbers, but for the price you're paying you are getting pretty accurate colors, with one exception: the whites are a bit bluish. This has been a growing trend in the mobile world recently, though, and it seems that most people may prefer whites that are bluer than they should be. The bluish whites make the whole UI look colder than it ought to be, but again a lot of people prefer this. The Q6 doesn't have any color calibration options, so you are stuck with this arrangement. The minimum black level at 100% brightness is 0.288, which is respectable for an LCD panel. This value is always 0 for OLEDs because when showing black the pixels are shut off. The sunlight legibility is definitely not among the best we've seen, but once again if you factor in the price point of the Q6 and its mid-range status, it's a good enough score, especially for an LCD. If you don't mind some washed-out colors and loss of contrast, the screen should remain readable when you're out and about in bright natural light.